central Grayson County in north-central Texas, central Fannin County in north-central Texas, until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Savoy, or 9 miles west of Bonham, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: ping-pong ball-sized hail. Radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. This severe thunderstorm will be near Bonham and Ravenna around 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. You are listening to NOAA. All